Huh?
It is.
Mom said it's a blizzard.
That's what they said on the news.
Mom, it is a blizzard.
I know, I'm looking at it. I'm thinking, what the...
Holy crap!
Watching the TV.
Manolito, it's a blizzard. Look at the snow. This is the first time I've ever seen anything like
And
this.
TT, I told Mommy that, let's go outside, let's put the coat on and let's put the boots on and go outside and make a snowman.
Are you crazy?
You gotta wait till it's done because you'll get sick.
You'll fly away.
You'll fly away.
It's gonna be really
I mean, look how hard it's
That
coming.
wind will take you, Manolito. Wow. Look at the, it's like a little whirlwind right there. Look at the middle between the cars. You see that?
Never seen nothing like that.
Oh my gosh.
And
Did
it's
that
gonna-
just start? Or
No, it's been going on. I've been up for like past couple
you should have
hours.
woke me up, but I woke up in the middle of the night, kept checking, it just looked like ice.
It was ice. It was sleet.
Now
and
it's,
then all of a sudden it turned to this.
now it's sticking, huh? Because of the ice first.
It's gonna get deep too, the snow.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited to go.
So excited.
You can't go out there yet, cause you can't go.
Man.
Look at the snow there.
Whoa.
I'm glad we got sleds.
Oh man, I wanna go get the sled.
No, it's too windy, babe. We'll have to wait till that wind. Look at it. It's, Tony, it wasn't even like this when it first started. It was not even nothing there. Look how much of that snow piled up. It wasn't even there. I want to open the front door.
Solar power is when you use the light from the sun to make electricity.
Holy crap.
And people's electricity is out too.
Oh man, are you serious?
Yeah. A lot of people on Facebook are like, I'm freezing in my house.
Oh no.
But I'm glad we don't have that problem because some of those people have fireplaces. We don't
Yeah,
even
but
have
it's just begun, Michelle.
them. I know.
Have you even been seeing what the East Coast has been like? They've been getting slammed.
Is that guy going down in it?
Yeah, he is.
He's crazy. I'm glad you're recording. I want to see him driving this.
This really isn't cool, Michelle. I mean, I wanted it to snow, but I didn't want no
Look,
freaking blizzard.
He can't get in.
You know what I'm saying?
I know. Well, it's going to stop, but
When?
I don't know. But my dad said it's going to get more snow. We're going to get a lot more, I think.
You know, leave it to Oklahoma. You know what I'm saying?
I know.
We can't get rain without severe thunderstorms or tornadoes. I can't ask for snow without a snow blizzard. You know what I'm saying? Freaking Oklahoma, man. It's always so extreme.
Oh, look, it just got real white.
Like, where's he going?
Maybe he's parking the van under the thing. He can't even probably start the car.
This is crazy.
Look at the wind. Ow.
Michelle, be careful. I just put those up.
Oh my goodness.
Manuelito's so excited, huh?
Yeah, he wanted to go out in it. His car better not run into our car.
I'll get it on film. Proof to the insurance.
I'm glad we went shopping and all that last night.
I know. I know.
That's all I was saying. Let's get prepared. Stuck in the house.
Oh, I didn't know it was going to be like this.
They said a snowstorm was coming.
Well, they always got a warning on
It's
TV.
getting worse. There's a guy that the neighbors went out and you should saw him. He's like, holy crap. Is he pulling out?
It's getting worse outside.
There's people without electricity and look.
That better not happen to us.
Don't start that right now. What's he doing outside? Don't start that right now.
Oh, man.
I wish we were there at your house where we all live together. Where's he going?
Why are these unlocked?
I don't know, but...
Tony, Mom says it's not supposed to stop till 6.
Yeah, it's gonna, that's what I said, it's gonna keep on going.
Man.
That's why we're gonna get a lot of snow.
Holy crap, till 6 o'clock? That's going to be more than 2 inches.
Oh yeah.
Way more than 2 inches. That's a blizzard! I can't believe it! I can't believe it!
Oh, we're gonna have fun later.
Yeah, but is it sticking? I mean,
Yeah, oh, it's gonna stick.
Because look, is it, why is it, what is all the wind blowing it away or something?
Yeah, oh, look, look. See, I told you what he's gonna, look at that pile he's going into. I told you he was gonna back it up in
It's
there.
that thick over there?
Look at that, yeah.
I can't zoom.
He's
on
stuck.
it.
He's stuck. He's stuck.
What was the point of that? What was the point of putting the car over there?
Or maybe he's not. Maybe he's just trying to turn around. He's stuck.
His wheels are spinning. Oh my goodness.
He's stuck. He can't get out of that. You gotta have like one of those cars to be driving this stuff. 4-wheel drive. Look, they're just spinning.
I can't believe he tried to move that.
The thing is, he should have did it fast.
Yeah, whatever. He should have just left it.
Maybe he's trying to drive up to the office. I don't know. I mean, it isn't working.
Yeah, walk to the office. Pablito, are you excited? Look at the snow on the door.